In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to create a successful dropshipping business as a complete beginner. I'll show you how to find a winning product, how to build a store to sell that product, how to fulfill orders once you get them, and a few of my secrets that have allowed me to make 6 figures from e-commerce at 20 years old. The first step to dropshipping is finding a great product that people actually want to buy. And unfortunately, most influencers lie to y'all and say there's only one way to do this so they can keep the good product research methods to themselves. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna break that stereotype and expose the 3 best methods I've used to find winning products, starting with a secret method that no one on social media has ever talked about before, the Twitter method. How the X method works is you open up Twitter, then scroll around looking for ads until you find one that's promoting a winning product. And you may ask,
Logan, how do you determine if a product is a winning product?
well, that's easy. Just follow this criteria. 1, it solves someone's problem. 2, you can sell it for at least 3 times what you buy it for. 3, it has a wow factor that will make people stop scrolling when they see your ad. 4, it is easy to ship, aka it's not fragile, doesn't weigh a lot, and has faster shipping times than 1 to 2 months. That criteria ensures the customers are willing to buy your product, you'll be able to heavily profit when they do purchase because of the high margins, and they won't want a refund because your shipping is good. Then after you find a winning product, you need to check if there's a supplier out there who will let you drop ship it, which I'll show you how to do later. The second way of finding a winning product is one I'm sure most of y'all have already heard of because I've talked about it a lot in the past alongside virtually every other e-commerce YouTuber. It's the hashtag TikTok made me buy it method. This method is pretty self-explanatory. You go to TikTok and search the hashtag TikTok made me buy it, Amazon finds or trending products, filter to the videos with the most likes in the last month and scroll through those videos until you find a product that follows the criteria I talked about earlier. Now, yes, what you've heard is right. This method is a little less effective nowadays than it used to be due to the oversaturated amount of bad TikTok dropshippers. Like, there's literally noobs right now who are trying to get sales by saying their product doesn't work and begging the viewer to buy it out of pity, which is pathetic. So if you're not an idiot like them and you actually pick a product that works, you follow my winning product criteria, then you build a nice website, you'll be ahead of all those clowns. Oh, and another thing I want to mention is when you're looking for products on social media, make sure to read the comments. Comments provide a great insight from potential customers to let you know if it's a scam, bad quality, uninteresting, or if it's an absolute banger product that everyone wants to buy. The third way to find a winning product is with the sponsor of today's video's winning product software, AutoDS. To do this method, just go to autods.com, then press winning products in the side menu. This will bring up a list of winning products that their software has found through analyzing the product's data and the ads that are promoting the product. Like if we click on this sports vibration belt, you can see AutoDS gives you all the data you could possibly need about the product, including the price, where it ships from, the shipping time, the potential profit, the target audience to sell it to, an advertisement that resulted in many product sales, and tons of other important information. So what you would do is triple check the criteria I gave you earlier with this product's info, and if it meets all the requirements, you can start selling it on your own website. And to start selling it on your own website, you need to create an online store with Shopify, which is the platform that 99% of dropshippers use to sell their products. So go to Shopify by clicking the first link in my description. This special affiliate link will give you their best offer ever, which is 3 months of Shopify for $1 a month. That's an amazing offer that you can't find anywhere else. And now that you're on Shopify's sign up page, I highly recommend you create a new Google account for your store. This way it keeps your personal emails and your business emails separate, and it's way more professional for your customer service to say contact the name of your store at gmail.com instead of having your personal email. No one's gonna take your business seriously if your contact email is
hotmomlover69@yahoo.com.
So please create a new email that's formatted similarly to contact the name of your store at gmail.com. And for y'all that don't know how to name your store properly or create a logo, we'll go over that right now before creating the Shopify account. Choosing a name is way easier than you'd think. In fact, you don't even have to brainstorm like the old days because AI can do it for you. Like say I wanted to sell those tactical shorts I showed y'all earlier, I'd just go to ChatGPT, type give me 20 business names for a tactical shorts brand, and bam, ChatGPT gave me a list of 20 great names I could choose from. I like Battleflex shorts the best, so what I'd do is create an email account with that name in front of Gmail, then I'd buy my website's domain on GoDaddy.com. Just type in the name of your brand.com, press make it yours, then purchase the domain for your website for around $10. And now that you've chosen a name, it's time to create the logo for your store. I personally always hire someone to do this on Fiverr because you can get a good logo for like 20 to 30 bucks. But for y'all trying to spend as little money as possible, you can go to canva.com, sign up for a free trial, create a logo with their free clip art, then cancel your free trial so you end up paying nothing. Just make sure when you create the logo, it perfectly relates to the product you're selling. It has a maximum of 3 colors because when you use more than 3, it gets confusing. And you save it as a PNG file so it doesn't have a white square background. And now that you have your store name, logo, and domain, it's time to head back over to Shopify with the link in my description and sign up with the new email you just created. So type that email in here, press sign up, press I'm just getting started, an online store, dropshipping products, then create a long password and click create Shopify ID to join. Once you're inside, Shopify will ask you for basic information like your name, address, plan type, and more, so enter all of that. And now it's time to import your product. To import your product, you're going to want to go back over to autods.com, select the product you chose earlier, press import draft, go to drafts, press import again, and now when you head back over to Shopify, your product will be there. Oh, and if you can't find your product on AutoDS's marketplace, you can import the product from AliExpress with its URL, then import it to Shopify. The next step is deciding how much to sell your product for. There's many factors that come into play here, including margins, branding, shipping, quality, etc. But what I always recommend you do is charge 3 times the price after the product and shipping costs. So if it costs $6 to get the product and $4 to ship it, that's $10. Then multiply that number by 3 to get the price you should sell it for. Then type that price in here and type double that amount in the compare it price section. This makes your product show up 50% off on your store so people feel as if they are getting a discount, which makes them more inclined to buy. Then if you scroll up to the media section, these are the photos that AutoDS imported for you. You can order them however you want, delete the ones you don't like, or add your own images by dragging and dropping them here. Then once you're done selecting your images, it's time to create your product page. The easiest way to make a product page as a beginner is to put all the meat in the description, then add reviews at the bottom. These 2 steps are simple enough for anyone to do, yet very powerful if done right. So let's look at a product page I built in like 2 hours from a past challenge video, and then I'll explain how to create every part of it. Alright, so this is the Backcracker store I made for a 3-day challenge video that got me $450 in sales. It starts off with a sentence that helps persuade potential customers that my product will help solve their problem. Then below that, I added this chart that illustrates the point above. To write solid persuasive text like that on your own website, you could do it yourself if you have experience in copywriting, or you can let ChatGPT do it, then you reword it slightly. It'll only take you like 10 minutes to write an entire description using AI. Then to create the chart under the description, you can hire a freelancer from Fiverr or Upwork to make it for around $20, or if you have Photoshop skills, you can make it yourself. Then the last thing you need to know how to build to create a successful store is a GIF. GIFs are a literal must-have on your store because if you can explain to your customer how your product will solve their problem in a quick 5-second GIF, they will be way more likely to purchase, and your store will look more professional overall. To create GIFs, I normally download TikTok videos of people using my product with snaptic.com, then I go to Giphy.com or Adobe's GIF Maker to turn that video into a GIF. Once your GIF is created, you can simply drag and drop it where you want in your Shopify description. I normally add 3 to 5 GIFs in my descriptions and match each one to a unique selling point. This way there is a nice ratio of imagery and text explanation. Then once you're done setting up your description, it's time to add product reviews. Product reviews increase a new customer's confidence in your business because if they see other people happy after purchasing your product, they internally feel as if they could have the same results. To add reviews, download the Shopify app A-Reviews, which is free, then paste your Shopify's product link into the top search bar, filter the 5-star reviews only, then press import reviews, and then they will show up on your store. And now that your beginner product page is built, I'm sure you're wondering,
Logan, what do I do if I get a sale? Will it automatically ship to my customer?
and the answer to that is yes, if you use AutoDS. AutoDS does what its name suggests. It automates most parts of the dropshipping process, including fulfillment. All you have to do is make sure you imported the product to Shopify through AutoDS, add a balance to your account, then AutoDS will purchase and ship the product automatically for you in their orders tab. How it works is when someone purchases your product, the order will alert AutoDS and be flagged as pending until the customer's information is sent to the supplier. Then once the supplier ships the product, it'll be flagged as shipped, and finally when the product arrives at your customer's house, it will say delivered. As you can see, AutoDS is a literal must-have for all new dropshippers, and right now they're offering a free 30-day trial to everyone who signs up with the link in my description. So make sure to take advantage of that before it's too late. And now that your store is complete and ready to fulfill orders, it's time to get traffic on your site so you can actually make some money. There's tons of ways to get people on your website, but they all boil down to two main sections: paid and organic traffic. Paid traffic is when you get people on your site through ads, sponsorships, events, and other monetary inclined promotions. And organic traffic is when you get people on your site through methods that don't cost money, like social media, blogs, podcasts, word of mouth, etc. Both paid and organic traffic are very crucial to a business's success, but most people start with paid because you are guaranteed to get in front of people if you pay for it. Organic traffic is nice if you already have an email list or followers on social media, but for people without that, your blog, YouTube video, or podcast will most likely get little views, which will result in you getting no sales. So what I'd recommend you guys do is start with paid TikTok ads that you can pay people to create for you on Fiverr, Billo, or Bands Off Ads. Then if your ads are resulting in enough sales to be profitable, you can create social media accounts to start promoting your products organically. That's the format I personally use when running new stores. And if you want to get a great deal on ads right now, sign up for TikTok ads with the affiliate link in my description. TikTok is giving all new members up to $1,500 in free ad credits, so use my link. And if you're still a little hesitant about starting your dropshipping journey, you can watch this video where I made $1,000 in 1 week dropshipping without spending any money. Just click right here to watch it, and God bless.